We can easily unsend a sent email in Gmail very easily. It's very easy and simple. By default, it will allow you, the Gmail application will allow you for 5 seconds to unsend it, but you can configure it from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. So we'll also see that. So let's see how we can do that. Here I drafted on email and I'm going to click the send button and it's showing the email sent. Now there is an undo button. I'm going to click it here and we'll see the email is not sent and it is going to the draft mode. So in this way we can easily unsend a send email. Now let's see how we can configure it from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. So at first we need to go the settings and from here we have to click see all settings. I just clicked over see all settings and in this page under general we'll find different options. So one of the options it is named as undo send and here is on drop down which is mentioning between 5 seconds to 30 seconds. I just put 30 seconds so that I have enough time to redo this thing. Okay, and if we scroll down then there is a button save changes. We need to click here to save the settings. Now let's check whether it is really able to wait more than 5 seconds or not. So I'm going to send the email again and I will wait more than 5 seconds and but less than 30 seconds and I waited till 5 seconds is over and try to click the undo button to check whether I can unsend the sent email, and yes, it is doing that. So in this way we can easily unsend a sent email easily and we can configure it between 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Thank you for watching the video.